Hello viewers, this is Ashkol of you once again. Welcome to this new video where I'm going to show you how you can create a professional looking beautiful personal website step by step completely free. Even if you don't know how to write HTML or CSS coding, or if you don't know how to design a website, please don't worry, because I'm going to walk you through every single steps very slowly, so that even if you're a complete beginner, still you are going to be able to follow my steps, follow all the works that I am going to do to create your beautiful professional website. So without further ado, let me take you to my computer screen where I am visiting blogger.com, and this is a platform where you can create websites completely free. As you can see, create a unique and beautiful blog. It's easy and free. All right, so now after visiting here, you just have to click on this sign in option, and then you have to provide your Gmail account details. So this is in Bengali language, so let me just change it to English. All right, so you just have to click on the account, and after that you have to provide your password and click on next. All right, so here we are on Blogger dashboard, and as you can see here, create new blog. This is the button where you have to click to start creating our professional looking personal website. All right, so let's click on create new blog, and after that we have to provide a title. For example, I am going to create a professional portfolio website. All right, so that is going to be my name here, Ajhar Rafi's personal, or maybe portfolio website. And then here in the address field we have to put a domain name. All right, and it would be ajharrafiva.blogspot.com or something else. Let's just find out if we can put something ajharrafi.blogspot.com. let's see if it is available. Okay, so sorry, this blog address is not available. That means someone else has created a website with this domain name. In this case, we have to provide a unique name here, right? This part, Achor Rafi. So let's make a little change here. I'm going to put like Ajed Rafi, and let's say VA, Achor Ajed Rafi virtual assistant.blogspot.com. And as you can see, we are seeing a right mark here. That means this username is available. So now we can move forward. We have to select a theme from here. As you can see here, you will find few themes. I'm going to select one as an example, and we are actually going to change this theme after within few seconds. All right, so let's click on create blog. So it's creating a blog. Achal Rafi's portfolio website was created successfully. So now our blog has been, our website has been created, which is a basic website, very basic website. This is not going to work for us. We are looking for a professional looking personal website, right? So in this case, what we have to do, we have to add a blogger template, which I have already downloaded in my computer, and I'm going to attach that blogger template link into the video description, so that you'll be able to download that as well. So let me show you how to use that. I'm going to my desktop, all right, and personal website, and let's just delete this one. And here is the blogger template which we are going to use. You will find this zip folder after downloading, and what you have to do, you just have to click on the right button and click on extract all, and click on extract, and you will see another folder here. You just have to open the folder, open it again, and here's the file that we have to upload in our website. All right, so let me just show you how to upload this XML file into the blogger website. I'm going back here on this blogger backend, and then we have to click on this theme section, and after that we have to click on this backup/restore. So click on it, and here you will find a option to download your website theme, or you can actually upload a theme from a file on your hard drive. So as we have already have a blogger template into our computer, we have this option, choose file, and now just select this file from here, click on open, and click on upload. uploaded successfully, and as you can see it's just started working in the background. All right, and now if we just visit our website from here, view blog, open in a new tab, just take a look how our website is currently looking like. So this is the header section, and this is the about me, personal details, professional skills details, and services information, some other project information, portfolio, websites, and more parts. All right, and we are going to work on these every single steps within few minutes. All right, so let's start. Let me just show you the difference. Here is our current website and here is our previous website. Now if we just reload this page, or if anyone just use this address, they're going to see this website. All right, and this is a demo website. In this case we have to provide our personal information. For example, here as you can see, hi, I am John Smith, I am a blogger, I am a dash dash dash, I am a dash dash dash. So we have to provide our details here. So let me show you how to change these details very easily. All right, so let me just delete one from here, and let's go back to this file here, or actually our blogger backend. And after that we have to click on this edit HTML. Please don't worry if you don't know how to write HTML or how to edit HTML. I'm actually going to show you everything very slowly so that you will be able to follow me and you will be able to design your website properly. All right, so let's just move on. Here I'm on the HTML editing section. We just have to click anywhere in this box, and after that just go back here on the actual website, just copy the name where you have to make the change. So here, hi, I want to place Azhar Rafi here instead of John Smith. So let's copy John Smith from here and go back to this blog backend and click here in any of these part of this field. After that hit Ctrl plus F into your keyboard and you will find this option search bar here. All right, so let's just paste the name which we have copied, and after that we have to hit enter, okay, into our keyboard. And as you can see here, we are seeing header name text uppercase John Smith. So in this case we have to just make the change here. From John Smith we have to enter our personal name. So let me put Ajharul Rafi, and if I just click on save theme, now let's go back here on the actual website. If I just reload, here we go, hi, I am Azhar Rafi, right? So this part is done. Now we have to work on this part. We have to enter our professional skills details. All right, so I'm a virtual assistant. I work as a social media manager and I'm a lead generation specialist. I've been providing these services to clients since 2012. And let's just make these changes. Let's just put these details here. So here it will be I am a virtual assistant, social media manager, and other stuffs. Let's just make the change. All right, so let's go back here on this backend, and then you can just see header headlines. So these are actually header headlines. All right, so we have to put like I am a, just make, let me show you here, I am a, which is a span. And after that we are going to see this part, data typist, front-end developer, creative lover, blogger, photographer, etc. So we have to make the change here until this part to this part we have to delete, and then we have to enter our details. Let me put like social media manager, then we have to enter a comma. After that we have to enter, let's say, lead generation specialist. All right, and let me just take virtual assistant here on this span field. All right, so this writer is going to be the first professional skill that anyone, whenever someone is visiting our website, they will find writer as our first professional skill. So let me actually show you what I mean. So if I just reload this page, you are going to see writer here first, as you can see writer, and after that it's just started changing based on these elements. All right, so I'm actually going to put virtual assistant here. virtual assistant. All right, and now if I just click on save, it's saving. Let's move back to the website and reload the website here. Here we go. Hi, I am Ajhar Rafi. I am a virtual assistant. I'm a social media manager and I am a lead generation specialist. I am a virtual assistant. All right, so we are actually going to work on every elements, like we are going to change the background, we are going to change these icons and every other information. So right, so let's just get around. So here, as you can see, we have got here these icons for Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, in LinkedIn. So as Google Plus is no longer in business, so I'm actually going to replace it with Instagram profile. So I'm going to add my Instagram profile link here. And now if we just click on this Facebook link or Facebook button here, you are not going to, it is not going to lead us on any page. If I just same thing, if I just click on Twitter, it is not leading us to any page. So what we have to do, we have to link our Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus or Instagram actually and LinkedIn page here, and it will be whenever someone will click on these icons, they will visit our personal profile. All right, so let's just start changing these things. So let's go back to this backend here, and as you can see here, these are social media links. So we are going to find them here. As you can see, after headlines, headlines, we are seeing these header social links. Now let's just make the change here. Oops, I just all right, so again I just have to put my name here as I have changed. All right, so Ajhar Rafi. All right, Ajhar Rafi. Okay, so here are the all right, so here we have to make the change. As you can see, class FA Facebook, then anchor. So here's the anchor link where we have to enter our Facebook profile URL. So I'm going to put https, then it's just taking us to the bottom. So pardon me, this is the way how this bloggers editing section works, so please pardon me about that. And www.facebook.com/ajharul Rafi, this is my Facebook page link. All right, and now same thing, let me just open a file from my desktop where I have entered all of my profiles details so that it will be much easier for us to copy paste. So I have just entered Facebook's information. Let's copy Twitter's information. So let's go back. Let me just take it here. All right, and let's change this hash to our Twitter profile URL. And after that, here as you can see, FA Google Plus, as Google Plus is not in business and I want to make our or keep add our Instagram profile here, so I'm going to put Instagram. All right, and now I have to put my Instagram profile URL after deleting this hash mark from here. Let's just copy my Instagram profile URL from here, copy and paste it here, and I have just used Ctrl+B to paste. All right, and then we have got LinkedIn. I'm going to copy my LinkedIn profile URL from here, copy, and then I have to paste it here. All right, and now if I just click on save theme and if I just reload this page, we are going to see here, instead of Google Plus icon, we are seeing Instagram icon. All right, and now all of these links are clickable. Okay, so I'm just going to click on each of these links and you're going to see my Facebook page here, which is loading, and Twitter profile. Oops, the internet connection is slow. Twitter profile, then my Instagram profile, my LinkedIn profile, and Facebook profile as well. All right, so I have just completed working on this part. Now it's time to go a little bit down. We have to work on this about me section. Actually, we are going to work on all of this text first, and after that we are going to work on this background field. Okay, this background, we are going to change our profile picture and this background and every other backgrounds that's available here. All right, so let's just move on and let's copy about me to find this section into the blogger backend. So I've just copied from here about me, and after that going back to this backend, going to put it in this search field and hitting enter on my keyboard, and as you can see I have found this about me section. And if you just notice here we are seeing John Doe, so we have to find out this John Doe. This is the demo name. I have to put Ajhar Rafi here. So let me find out John Doe. Here as you can see person title John Doe under about me section. So let's just select this part, and then like going to put my name Ajhar Rafi, and after that we have got some bio text here. All right, so we want to change this text as well. And if you just notice here, we are seeing a part here, paragraph class bio text. So we have to make the change here. Okay, so let's just select this part, and then let's copy your bio where from anywhere you where from the place you have already written this bio, or you can actually write it here, right here. Okay, so as I already have it written here, so I've just copied it from here, and going back to the backend, I'm going to paste it, and now it has changed as you can see with my information. All right, so let me just show you in real view. So I'm going to save, it's being saved, and let's just reload this. And here we go, Ajhar Rafi, a full-time freelance virtual assistant with result driven social media marketing skills and dra. All right, so now it's time to change this address information, phone number, email address, and website address. All right, so what we have to do, as you can see here, about info, these are actually about info, and here we are seeing address information. So we just have to select this part, and after that we have to put our address information. So let's say house, okay, after that Shaplabag, SYLHET, Bangladesh. All right, and after that we have phone number. I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to put a demo phone number, only one phone number I'm going to put. All right, this is a demo phone number, and after that we have got email address where you can put your email address. So let's just copy this email from here, and I'm going to paste it here. All right, so just get some extra spacings, so you can just remove them or keep them, doesn't matter. All right, after that we have got a website address, and as we don't have a website, I can actually put a demo website, or I can actually delete it from here. So I'm actually going to keep it, and let's put my website address, which is Learners World. If you don't have a website, you can simply select this part and hit in your backspace, it will be removed, and that's all fine. All right, so let me just click on save theme and just get back here, reload this page, and here we go, my home address, my phone number, which is demo, my email address, and my website address, all done here. And now we have to make the change here on this my professional skills. All right, and I don't like these buttons here, I don't love to see these buttons here because we already have added them here. All right, so I'm going to remove this from here, and then we are going to work on these elements, these bars, etc. All right, so let's just move back, and let me just copy my professional skills from here and get back to this backend. After that, put this text into this search field and hit enter, and you are going to see this part has been selected. All right, so after my professional skills, we have got these texts, and now I'm going to change them as well. So let's just go from here. I have already has some text written, so let's copy and let's go back here. And after my professional skills, as you can see, paragraph class skill text, so I'm going to make the change from here. So let's just select and paste them here. All right, with your current details. All right, so now if I just reload this part, oops, I didn't saved it, so let's just keep it here as it is, no problem. And before I just save it, I want to remove these icons, And to remove these icons, you can just, as you can see, about social links, you just have to select from this div to this div, all right, and delete them, all right, and it's all fine. And now if we just click on save theme, and let's reload this page, boom, we are not seeing any social media links, and we have got updated uh, with our current information here. But one thing I am just noticing here, as you can see, there is no space, and that's not looking that good. So I want to give a space in between this text and this web design text, all right. And to do this, we have to go back to our backend, and then let's find out this part which we have deleted. We just have to give a space here, and after that we have to give this back arrow, and then beer, and then this slash, and after that this forward arrow, all right, and that's it, beer. Okay, just add this code here and click on save, and after that go back to the website, reload the website, and here we go. It is now looking a professional way with the spacing. That's great. Okay, so now let's just make the change here on these skills and this ratio or the bars, all right. So let's do the change. For the first skill, I'm going to add social media marketing. For second skill, I'm going to add email marketing, and on third place, I'm going to add lead generation. So let's do that. Let's just go back here, and I'm just seeing, as you can see, class progress bar area, and here skill title web design. I want to put social media marketing here, social media marketing, okay. And after that, let's just save the theme, and let's reload this one, and let's just go back. As you can see, social media marketing, and as you can see, this part here 90%, I want to make the change on this 90% to 95%, and the bar also needs to be in 95% as well. Let me show you how you can do that as well. So let's go back to the backend, and after that, here as you can see, skill percent, which I want to increase to from 90% to 95%. And after that, here as you can see, progress bar style white 90%. So we have to change this part as well, so that it will be change the progress bar as well. So let me just click on save, and let's just reload this page, and here we go, 95% on social media marketing, all right. So now let's change this web development, app development, WordPress from our skills. As you can see, with our skills, email marketing is the second one. So let's go a little bit down here, 95%, all right. This one is done, and then we have got another single skills bar, and which is web development, and we want to replace it with email marketing. So as you have noticed that whenever I'm trying to type, sometimes it's just taking me to this bottom of the part, all right. So please don't get confused. I'm actually working on the exact field where I selected. As you can see, the first one was social media marketing, and then we have got email marketing, then I have got app development. So I'm currently working on email marketing. So let's say I know 80%. Again, it just took me into the bottom, so that's fine. 80%, I hope you will understand. And now let's just don't change this 70%. You'll see the difference. So now as you can see, it's in 70%, this progress bar. As I have entered 80% here on the skill percentage, it is going to increase to 80%, but the bar will be in 70%. So let me show you in real example, so that whenever you are working, you will be able to put some effort, or actually be you will just make sure that you are actually changing these parts as well while you are changing any percentage, all right. Otherwise it will show some wrong information here. So here you can see 80% is my skills, but the bar is still in 70%, all right. So now I want to change it to 80%, and to do this, you have to go back here, and here progress bar white which is 70%. Now we have to make it to 80%. All right, and then click on save theme. Now reload this page, it will be much okay progressed. All right, so 80%. And now I want to add another skill, which is lead generation. So let's go back to this site, and then we have got the next profession, which is lead generation. All right, and I know lead generation pretty well, so I'd love to keep it to 95%, or let's say 90%. Okay, and let's do the width as well to 90%. And I want to remove this WordPress from here, WordPress part. So let's just do this. I'm going to select from here, from single skill bar, WordPress. All right, and then we have to delete throughout this part. Okay, so which is just matching up this straight. All right, so just delete and click on save, and let's reload this page. All right, so we have deleted WordPress from here, and our skill sets also been settled down properly. So now what we have got here, we have got services section, and here we are seeing awesome features and this gear icon. Now let me show you how to, I am actually going to change information for this one only, and then you'll be able to follow this exact step to change all of these services, or you can actually delete any of these parts. All right, so let me show you how you can work on these features. All right, so let's say I want to change these awesome features to virtual assistant services. All right, so let's just copy this awesome feature, and let's go back to the backend of the website, and then select this part, delete them, and paste the new search, and then hit enter. And here we go, we're seeing service heading, awesome features, and I want to uh, put like virtual assistant services or VA services. All right, and after that you have got service description, as you can see this part. All right, so if you want to make any change, let's see if I have already got something here. All right, so I just want to paste this one as an example, copy, and let's just make the change into this paragraph section. All right, so paragraph, and in between the paragraph. And now if I just click on save, it is going to make the change here. Let's refresh, and here we go, VA services to ensure business growth. All right, so that's also been changed. And now let me show you how you can change this gear icon, or these any of these icon. All right, so let me just take you to a website which is Fontosum. So I'm going to copy Fontosum, where you will find lots of icons to use on your website. All right, so let's just enter. I'm going to attach the link into the video description for your easy access. So I'm going to find out, let's say, laptop, and hit enter here. And then let's use this one as an example, and we're going to find a code, as you can see, I class FAS FA laptop. All right, so let's just copy this one, and we have to go back, and here you will find, let's say, this class, as you can see, service icon. All right, so we have to make the change here. We have to delete this part. All right, and then we have to paste the code which you have found from here. Just copy, click on it, and it will be copied, and then go back here and paste it here. All right, and after pasting it here on this page, you have to remove this S from this section, and that's it. And now if we just click on save theme, now reload this theme, and here we go, we have got our laptop icon available. All right, so this is the way that you can use to change all of these elements from this part. All right, so to save your time, I'm just going to this option where you're seeing completed projects, design award, Facebook like, current projects. So I'm actually going to make changes on each of these elements. So instead of 310, I'm going to put 337, and here I'm going to put 4 freelancing awards. And for Facebook likes, I would love to take only 9018. And current projects, it would be better when you are creating a personal website, it would be better if we just keep it under 5. All right, so I'm actually going to put 4 current projects. All right, so let's move on and let's work on this field. And let me just click on this, copy this completed project from here, so that it will be easier for us to find the information on our backend here. So let's just select this or delete this previous search term and paste on new one here, and then hit enter. And here we go, completed project is the heading. And here you can see just above the completed project we are seeing a target, data target 310. And as here we have 310, we are seeing actually here 310. All right, so we can actually make the change here from 310 to, let's say, 137. And then let's see, okay, so 137. And the next one is design award. We want to make the change here from design award. Here you can see from design award to I'd love to say freelance award or freelancer award. So let's put freelance FREELANCE here, freelancer award. And let's put here the value or data target to 4 freelancer award. All right, and now let's just click on save, and let me show you the change. And after that we are going to change the Facebook likes and current projects at the same time. So let's just reload this one. And here we go, 137 completed project, 4 freelancer award. And we want to change these parts as well, the same process. All right, so let's just move back. Where is freelancer award? All right, so next section is here, Facebook like. Let me just remove 3 from here, so it will be 9018 only. And after that we have got current projects, that's fine. And we want to make it smaller, let's keep 3 current projects only. Right, so that should be fine. And click on save theme. And now reload this page. And here we go, we have worked on this part as well. And now we have got our portfolio section. All right, so now let me show you how to add portfolio into your website, which is really important. So I have to go here on this post section. So let's just go a little bit up, and then you will find this post section. Just open it in a new tab, or you can actually click here. So I'm actually opening in a new tab because I want to work on this part again, so this is the reason I have to keep it open. All right, so let's just go here, and then here you have to make the posts. So I have got some portfolio samples, as you can see, portfolio more information. So I'm going to add a few. So let's add this one at first. All right, so I will create, so I have to copy the title from here, copy. And actually we have to click on this new post first, and then here on the post title we have to enter the post title. And then let's go back to the file and copy this description. This is just for your understanding. All right, so let me just put it here. And now I want to add an image so that it will be look nicer. So let's click on image, choose file, and go back to the folder. And here is an image that I want to add. It's going uploaded, select the image, add selected. And you can resize the image to a small, large, extra large, original size. So I'd love to keep it to extra large, and click on publish. And now if I just reload this page, you're going to see a portfolio here. All right, so here is a portfolio. We have to add few more, so let's add 2 more so that it will be look nicer. So let's go back here, click on new post, and I have got some files. On this file, as you can see, it's Instagram growth. So let's just open the file. I will manage and grow your Instagram profile, copy the title, paste them here. And then we have to go back here, copy all of these description and paste them here. And again we have to add the image, so click on this image icon, choose files, and then let's just go back here, Instagram growth, and here's the image. So let's open the same process. All right, so click on it, add selected, and then resize the image to extra large. Click on publish. Again click on new post to add our third post, which is, let me show you, portfolio, more information, lead generation. And here's the file, here is the title, here's the title, and then we have to collect our description. So these are demo descriptions, right? Please ignore the writings here, this is just for your understanding. And after that we have to upload our image. So let's click here, choose files, go back to the folder, lead generation, and the image here. And now select the image, add selected, and click on original size, click on publish. Now if I just reload this page, boom, we have got some portfolio as well. So you can actually add few more if you want, it will be look nicer. So now what we have to do, we have to work on this part, get a free quote now, and lorem ipsum dolom, we have to make the change here as well. So now let's just delete this part, we don't need. Okay, so here we have got the backend. All right, so let's just copy this part, get a free quote now, and I'm actually going to add my Fiverr link or maybe Upwork link here, Upwork or Fiverr profile link here, so that client will be able to send me a message whenever they're interested to hire me, or if they have any question, or if they want to ask or talk about any business. All right, so let's just copy this part and then go back here on the search bar, delete the previous one and put the current one and hit enter. And here we go, get a free quote now, which is this one, that's fine. And then we have got this text, I have got a written text already. So let's go back here and I want to select this part, copy, go back to the backend, and then change the description, which is this one. Okay, so let's just paste it, and then we have to click on save theme, and let's just reload, it will be changed here. Okay, so inquiries regarding any virtual assistant service cost, please feel free to reach out. And then get free quote, if I click here, then it is leading us to the home page because there is no link added here. Okay, so we want to add a link to our, let's say, Upwork profile. So I'm going to put Astrography Upwork so that I'll be able to find my Upwork profile here. All right, so let's just copy it and go back to the backend, and then as you can see here, get free quote, that is just indicating this part here, get free quote, this button. So now we have to add a link here, as you can see, quote link. So I have to remove this hash as we did similarly to the social media links. All right, and now I have to paste the profile URL here, and then we have to click on save theme. You can actually change the button name as well, from get quotes to send me a message, or let's say hire me, let's put it to hire me. Okay, and let's click on save theme, and let's just reload this one. Here we go, hire me. All right, so get a free quote now, hire me. All right, so that's the process. You can actually put get a free quote or whatever you want here. All right, so learn more, any text. So let's go a little bit down, and here on this parts, exact same thing what we have done here on this address section. All right, so I'm actually going to skip, or let's say whenever you are actually signed in with your Gmail account, so whenever someone is going to put their name, email address and their message, and they will send a message here. As you can see here, if I just go to my Gmail, I will see a message from which I'm just going to remove this one from here. Oops, temporary error. gmail.com. Okay, so as you can see here, no reply plus subscription, comment subscription request from this website, as you can see. All right, so whenever someone is going to send a message through this website or this form, we are going to receive a message here. Okay, receive an email here. And if you if you want to place another email, you can do that as well from the settings option. All right, so now let's just keep it as it is, and then we have to change our address, email and telephone number. Let me just work on this address field, and I'm going to actually ignore these parts, or actually skip these parts, as we have showed the process here on this part. All right, so exit process. So let's just make the address field changed. So say hello to me, and then we have a contact form here. All right, so let's just go a little bit down to find out the address. I can actually copy this address from here, and let's delete this one, paste address here, and then hit enter. And here we go, we have got the address information. I'm going to put this exact address from here by copying and pasting, so that it will save some time. Copy and paste. All right, so this is it. And here, as you can see, we have got the emails options as well. If you want, then you can actually make the change, otherwise just keep them. All right, so telephone number and other options. All right, so click on save theme, and now let's just reload this page, and let's just take a look here. Okay, so my address has been changed, and if you want to change this parts, I've just showed the process. All right, so let's just move back, and we're actually done with all of these parts here, and it's time to work on these backgrounds. Okay, so these are the backgrounds and this background, and we are going to change our profile picture as well. And to change them, we have to go back again here on this backend, and then you have to remove this address field, then put dot, then jpg, which is a jpeg format, and hit enter. It will find all the jpg based text. So let me see which part. As you can see here, I'm seeing a matching. So let's see which part of this image, just from https to this part, jpeg, copy. Okay, and paste it here and make a search. So this is the header image, and we want to change this image. And now another work we have to do, we just have to go back here, and then we have to click on this page section, click on open, and then we have to click on new page. So here we have to upload all the images that we are going to use in the backgrounds, okay, for this part, for this profile picture, and for this part as well. And to do this, we just have to click on this image, choose files, and go back to this part. And I want to give this image into the background, so I'm going to click on upload and select the image, add selected. Now give it to original size, and after that just click on your right button of your mouse, and then copy image address. All right, and go back to this part here again on the back end, and then delete them as we already have selected. Again, let me show you from this https to this jpg. All right, delete them, and then paste our new code. And now if I just click on save theme, and if I just reload the theme from here, let me show you. Okay, so here we have got a new background which we have added now. All right, so now it's time to go back here, and let's change this image, which is our profile picture. So let me just delete these parts, because all right, so here we have to upload our profile picture again. So let me click on profile picture, image icon again, and then choose files, and I want to give this image as my profile picture. click on image, add selected, and then we want to put it to original size, and let's just copy the image URL from here. Again, copy image address. All right, and go back here, and then again hit enter to find the next JPG image, which is this one, and let's copy it and copy, and we want to see which image it is. Okay, so this is the lower background. So what you can do, before we actually upload our profile picture, would love to add the other background, and after that we can actually copy our profile pictures URL. Okay, so let's just add another image. Let's use let's say this one, okay, as an example. Actually, I'm talking about this image which you are seeing here. All right, so let's select this image, add selected, and then we have to click on original size. After that, copy the image URL, copy image address. All right, and then we have to, again, let me select from HTTP to this JPG part, delete them, and then paste your current URL which you have copied from here. Okay, so now if we just click on save, and let's reload this web page again, and here we go, we have got a new background here. After that, we have got this profile picture. Let me just find out the profile picture again. Let's hit enter, and here I'm seeing, as you can see, avatar. Profile picture is avatar. This one is called avatar, and here's the profile picture. If I just open it here, copy, and if I just open it here, we're going to see a profile picture here. Okay, so let's just change it with our profile picture, which is this one. So let's just click on it and then right click on your mouse, and after that copy image address and go back to this backend, and again select this HTTPS to this JPG part, delete all of this text and paste it here. Click on save theme. Now go back to the website. Okay, so here it is. Reload this page. Now we have got our information on this website, which is fantastic. As you can see, I have got this changed background, changed text, everything is working fine. If I just click on this Facebook, it is going to lead the client to my Facebook page or profile. All right, so you will be able to add your linkings as well. And then we have got these professional skills information added nicely, services added nicely. Then we have got this part and portfolio, contact us form, and other details here. All right, so this is it guys, and I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you just follow all of these steps, you should have a beautiful website just like this one. All right, so I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you found this video helpful, please give this video a like, share this video to help others, and subscribe to my channel to learn more about blogging and other information in future videos. So let me know your opinion by commenting below, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.